Alright, so this will be the newest video. I've just been really busy. I haven't had a chance to pick up the camera at all, so I just kind of more or less just wanted to do an update on what's going on as it kind of sits right now. I'm going to start taking it back down to get some stuff powder coated. So as you can see, I've done the tank mounts. You know, nothing is finalized, obviously. As far as I still need to put the plate in here. Obviously everything needs to be kind of finish welded and cleaned up. The front scoop that you can see here, so all the attachment points, it'll attach up in here and then down here. Also, I'll run the signals in this area here. I made a bracket, which you can see, they're these little guys right here, and then these will be the signals, little tiny ones. And then this will be the front here. You can see I'm going to do this kind of brush look on the front, you can see, versus the all black. And then I may do the housings in the silver color. Not quite 100% sure on that yet. We'll see, but I think that's probably what we'll end up doing. So it kind of goes along with this. Or I may do them all silver. I haven't decided. Anyway, also the kind of seat and rear fender you'll see here. This I still have to work on quite a bit, but it's basically got its, you know, its main shape. The seat just kind of have these two attachment points here. I'll also do one more here. I don't know that I'll need both. I just kind of wanted to get it down real firm. As I was doing all the fitting, you can see how it kind of comes right along the frame here. So it'll really just kind of blend in. Like I said here, these I'll use, you know, some really some flathead washer or some flathead bolts, you know, here and here. I think what I'll end up doing is making another seat pan that goes in here, probably with a lower gauge metal, and then I'll build the seat on that, and then figure out a way to attach that onto this piece here, and then this will be the metal. So again, everything needs to be kind of finished, welded, and sanded on there. You can take a look. Here's a plate bracket that I made a while ago. I got to finish welding this as well. Just, you know, it's going to mount up on the bottom of the shock and just kind of stays in real tight in here. The rear, I haven't decided if I'm going to build, sorry. This is obviously just a piece of cardboard just thrown on here. But I was possibly trying to build something back in here to kind of mimic the front there and put the battery down there. It's not going to work. I don't have enough room down there, unfortunately, so I will be going with kind of the stock setup of the battery oil tank up in here. But I still may build something down here. I'm not quite sure. The handlebars, you can kind of see. I still got to cut off this side and do the internal throttle, but I'm debating what I'm doing with the bars. I'm going to powder coat them. I haven't decided, so I may do that after. You can see the electrical. That'll be the signal buttons in here, and then the ignition, high-low beam, start button, and run stop will be maybe in the cover here. I may build something here. I'm not sure exactly yet. So anyway, this is just kind of the update. Go around here. Sorry you don't get to see a lot. I don't have a lot of room in here, so it's hard for me to kind of do a full walk around, but you can kind of get the idea. I still haven't done the rear tank mount either, so that one I'm going to have to actually drill through the hole here and weld in a bung, and then make a bracket off of here, and then I'll use the same excuse me, rubber mounts that I did on the front. Excuse me, sorry, I've been sick for a while now. But anyway, keep an eye out for more videos, and I'll get this updated probably after I get some. Oh, the front shrouds. You can see how I did the attachment up underneath the trees up in here. So basically just drilled and tapped holes in here. So they're really pretty shallow. I'm not worried about that, you know, put any extra stress or anything, or not being as strong in the trees. They're really pretty shallow. And it's a really thick tree, so I'm not too worried about that at all. Actually, I'm not concerned with it whatsoever. So, but that's the way that I did those. You can see they're nice and snug, nice and tight in here. Fit a little bit better than they would have, you know, even on the stock, I think. These brackets, again, have to be kind of shaped up and stuff, but for the most part, that's basically that. And there you go. Keep an eye out for more videos.